Hello, this is organic combo for broiler organic rearing. You want to rear your broiler birds, broiler chicken organically. These are the herbs you're going to use. Make use of these herbs from day one to the maturity period. In this particular video, I'm going to show you all the herbs you can use. This is our organic farm. Here we plant all the plant crops we use in organic broiler farming, complete organic poultry farming. This is called sponge leaf. You can use these leaves to welcome your poultry birds from day one. Each of these leaves have their own days. From day one, during brooding, you start with these plants. I'm going to show you in this particular video. Use them and you're going to get amazing results. See them here, this is sponge leaf. This sponge leaf have fruits also. I will also show you the fruit when I get to the fruit. You can see this is sponge leaf. You can start from day one with this sponge leaf. Once you welcome your day old chicks, use this. I'm going to show you how to prepare them so that your birds can benefit. You see the fruit. This fruit is still small. This is you can see the fruit. Are you seeing it? This is sponge leaf. So there are different types here. You can see this one. You can see this one. See this. See this. You can see another one here. See another one here. And see there are different types. You can see this one. You can see this one. Please, while harvesting this, you have to be very careful so that you don't say you want to maximize profit through organic poultry farming and snake bite you. You have to be very careful because snake like all these organic plants. They like to climb on organic plants like this. You can see them. I'm getting this sponge leaf now. Leaf harvesting. You can start with them from day one with this sponge leaf. Second day, I will also show you what you're going to use on the second day also. This sponge leaf have a lot of medicinal values. It has a lot of medicinal properties. It has minerals. It has iron. It has vitamin C. It has vitamin B complex. It has B6, B12. It has magnesium. It has copper. It has selenium. It's an energy booster. It boosts the energy of the poultry birds to eat well. It boosts their immunity also to sustain them from contracting infections. You can see it here. This is, let me show you. See, this is sponge leaf. See the fruit of the sponge leaf. Are you seeing it? This is sponge grass, or you call it sponge weed, anyone you call it. That's here. But if you have our Eco Boy Booster, you don't need to stress yourself again. With our Eco Boy Booster, you don't need to stress yourself. All these plants are in our Eco Boy Booster. So you don't need to stress yourself, just use the Eco Boy Booster from day one. It's giving farmers amazing results. Many farmers are testifying. Instead of stressing yourself here, you can even come to the bush and snake bite you. With the Eco Boy Booster, you'll save yourself all this stress of coming to the bush to look for the grasses. Some of these grasses are not found in other areas. Only because we prepare them here, that's why you are seeing them here. Share this video to reach more poultry farmers. Please share this video. That's the only way you can contribute. That's the only way. Join our community group. Be a community member of this particular channel where you support the channel every month. Many of them are there. renew your subscription on daily every month. You get unlimited access to our services. You're seeing it. This is sponge leaf. You're seeing it. It can cure coccidiosis. It can also help them to boost the immunity against Newcastle, against infectious brucell disease, IVB, and or gomboro, anyone you call it. It helps in preventing fowl typhoid. It also helps to cure intestinal tract infections. It helps in feed conversion and feed. You can see that this plant, see, something have eaten this. You can see that bush animals like this also because they love eating this because of the medicinal value. Because they are eating it. Show them. You see it. You see that the plants they have eaten this. These are bush animals. These are highly nutritious and they have a lot of protein, a lot of vitamins and minerals for livestock and bush animals. That's why they love eating it. I always tell you, please be careful while harvesting this because snake itself can even climb on this and bite you. Be careful. To avoid snake bite, please. You're seeing it here. Are you seeing it? This alone, how do you preserve this? How do you prepare this? If you cut this, slice it into pieces, put them into the pot, boil them up to 20 to 30 minutes. If you want to activate it more, you can add garlic and ginger and lemongrass. Boil it up to 30 minutes, extract the juice, allow the water to cool. After getting cold, add some water again and serve to your poultry birds. Most especially on the day one. Between day 1 and day 3, during the brooding period, you are going to get zero mortality during your brooding, and you can see your birds growing bigger and fatter with this. This is the fruit of this. You can see it. It climbs on walls and fences of abandoned buildings. You can see it there. You see it. It's a very powerful plant. It's also good for human consumption. But I'm not teaching you about human here. I'm teaching you about livestock animals. See them here. There are many here. Always be careful because of snake. This one has fruit here. You can go for and get me tea. Everything. Make sure you watch to the end because at the end of this video I'll give you how to prepare this for your poultry birds and how you're going to administer it to your chicken so that they get the maximum benefit for this. How you're going to prepare it, I will tell you how to prepare it for your chicken. Most especially a broiler that you want to grow bigger, you want to get 8 kg, you want to get 6 kg, you want to get 10 kg, you want to get 12 kg of broiler. It is possible with this plant. I think we are going to end this particular video here. How do you prepare this? You have a handful of this. Pluck the leaves, one after the other. Pluck the leaves, wash the leaves thoroughly. After washing it, pound it. If you have a very good mortar and pestle, pound it very well. The leaf itself, pound it very well. After pounding it, add 2 liters of water and extract the juice. You can see it. If you are pounding, please pound including the stem, please. Everything together. But make sure you wash it thoroughly before you start pounding. Extract the juice and add more water to serve.